No, it's a video. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, everybody. It is Nerdy Witch here with Riley. Hi. So I got on Wish, and Wish is expensive when you have to do a whole bunch of hauls and that kind of thing. So I'm doing an individual product review on some henna, which I paid, I think, a whopping $2 for. Not that there are some better ones online than mine, because I've never used this before. I've had it done when I was on the boardwalk, when I was a kid, when I was a kid. It was like good to test. I watched this video of a very young girl from Australia. Australia. The land down under. That one. And she was challenging for an adult to watch because every other word was, oh my god, guys, oh my god, oh my god, guys, oh my gosh, why is this like this? Right. So, I'm gonna try not to do that because I'm a professional?
Sort of.
No. Not at all. So, here is my very sad attempt at playing with henna. And Riley has nothing to add. Alright, let's get to it. I think this little pin thing needs to go. So we're gonna try some. Nope. Okay. Came out! Okay. We're good to go. Alright. Let's see if we can figure out a pattern now. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try. I feel like that's too small. I pipe frosting for a living, so I think. Ooh, this is bad. I need something to stable my hand on. There we go. Okay, so this is my finished cupcakey design. And I kind of panicked because I'm like, oh, I'm a cake decorator. I should be able to pipe. Lies, okay? Lies. I had to get the pressure control, and I should have tested it on a piece of paper. So my cupcake came out a little womp womp. But I feel that the more you add, the better these look. So while I'm waiting for Riley to prepare to do her design, I might extend some of my lines a little bit. I already got like a little smudging right there. But yeah, so we're gonna hang out and see what this looks like. Hope Work's not mad. So upside down, I don't know if it looks like a cupcake anymore. I probably should have faced it the other way. Who cares? It's on my hand. I have to look at it. Okay, Riley's turn. Time. I put my things on the inside of my line a little close, so I'm touching on the inside of my hands. So, playing my hand right there. And I'm gonna watch. Look at this lovely girl. Look at her. Look at her. Oh. Okay, so she's gonna try. And we understand that no matter where you touch this thing, it's gonna be permanent. You cannot wash your hands in a race, or it's still gonna show up. Doing her thing. Do your thing. Do what you're gonna do. Do your thing. That's why I don't have a singing career. As dumb as I thought. I could pipe frosting, I could pipe henna. Different pressure control. Once I figured out the pressure control, it was good. Now, I was reading some stuff online about how the black one's the most likely to cause a skin irritation. Just giving you a heads up right now. I actually have henna tattooed. I had this done, and I loved it so much. I walked into a tattoo parlor and I said, make this. And now that I know on my other hand, I can just whatever I want. Maybe not cupcakes. That was a dumb idea. Or not. Let me know in the comments below. Watch Riley do her thing. See, I definitely had to turn off my camera to look at a picture. I wish I was just this creative, because she's just going from her mind. She's just doing her thing. Shut it. See, she watched me, so she knows what she's doing. I made the mistakes are on me. Now look at me. Here's the baby wipe. There's a snuggle blanket. There's my ugly green couch I got from the thrift store for $25, which is the world's most comfortable couch. Really want me to pick it out. I'm waiting for your mom to kill me. Yeah, I don't know if you saw I'm a brand new YouTuber video, but Riley is my goddaughter. She's not biologically mine. But she's sort of mine. Kind of. Well, she's got a thing going. And this way it looks like a spade. Like from the mirror angle, it might look more like a heart. Ooh, more guitar pick. She's got some business going on here. Look at that. I'm going to check in a little bit later so I can take the pressure off of her. Do a thing. This time lapse does take a while. Oh, one time. Oh, it is a heart. With an arrow through it. Gorgeous. Okay. Okay, so Riley's done with hers. And mine has already begun to lift and peel in some places. You're supposed to dab it with sugar water after about 10 minutes or so to get more color release out of it, but we're using probably not very high quality henna, and because this is our first go, I don't really care how long it lasts. So we're just gonna let it do its thing and then wash it off after we can't stand it anymore. That's the plan. We don't need longevity, we're just testing this out. Okay. I just looked it up, and this brand is instant. So it is peeling off because it's ready. So I'm just gonna... No! Oh no! No, my life! Okay, I'm just gonna slowly keep letting this come off on its own, but you can see it's peeling on its own.
Mine.
See? Yep. Apparently it's still wet in some spots because I got sassy and got thick. But if I keep peeling too soon, that's what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna slowly keep peeling this off.
Is that flower tattoo the henna one?
The one on my other hand, yeah. This was henna, and then I had a tattooed on. So we'll show you once we get these all peeled off. So Logan is going by Chloe now, and Chloe wanted one. Look, she wanted it to match the pillow from my bed. So, meh. Okay, so I forgot I had this on like a 5-count timer, so yeah. So, henna complete. Yeah, look at that. So I washed my hands with water, and it's barely been an hour, and the only thing that came off a little bit was right here.
Mine is the most successful.
Yours is because I did it for you, and I knew how to do it by the time I got to this. The only thing that upsets me is that I didn't get patient and wait for some of the sections to dry and peel off on their own.
It is
So,
my hand.
I got ink fingers.
Me too.
Look at that.
But I don't.
So if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe.
If you want to.
If you want to. If you are already subscribed and want to see when I do some other shenanigans, make sure you hit the notification bell. And yeah, I don't know if I'm going to Instagram this one, so we're going to skip that this time. Yeah. If you have any ideas for our next video, please comment down below.
If you want to.
And while you're at it, if you could do me a small personal favor and let Chloe know what you think of her new name, that would be great. I think it's so cool. I'm in love with this. This is the best $2 I ever spent.
I am happy.
Wait, let's take a picture. Yay. Ready? Okay.
I'm actually really happy with mine. It only has like a little bit of smudge.
That's because I put my knee like smack dab right into it, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
But
hopefully...
it still looks good. What do you think?
Emma?
What do you think?
He didn't get any of his finger because he got some on his thigh.
Yeah. Well, I tried using a hair dyeing glove, and I still, like, was smushing it everywhere. So the instant henna is mind-blowing. That we're going to find out how long it lasts. But, yeah. So, my fault. Yeah, I didn't know what I was buying because I put it up a Wish for $2. But I'm definitely ordering other colors because we aren't patient people. No, so the instant henna is a good way to go. I did read that the color would be strongest on your palms, so maybe I'll try my palms next time. I feel like this could be useful for rune magic because I used to give myself a rune manicure, but I can't show you how to do that because I have no nails anymore. At all.
Yes, he used to have really pretty nails.
I know.
I'm the one who has pretty nails.
Yes. Yes.
I was born with luckiness.
Alright, well that's it for this video, so I'm going to invite you to take care. And you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready? You want to do it on count 3?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.